My name is Ananya Enver and I study at the British School, New Delhi. I truly hope that this video impacts you. If you educate a man, you educate a man. But if you educate a woman, you educate an entire generation, as said by Brigham Young. Impact is a non-government organization that educates 45,000 girls in 1,100 learning centers across 10 states in India. I have been a volunteer with Impact over the past 2 years, and the simplicity of the girls' happiness and their willingness to learn has truly touched my heart and inspired me. Impact has come a long way in combating the problem of gender inequality and progressing into a world that is free of cultural stereotypes and barriers. Today, I have created this video to give you all an insight into the stories of all these girls and make you realize how important it is that we all contribute in the upliftment of these girls. So get informed, get engaged, and make an impact.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there is no one there to dry your tears, oh, I will hold you for 1,000,000 years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. There's no doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue.
So how long have you been working with Impact and how has your journey been?
I have been working with Impact now for 11 years, and when I started working with Impact, it was, I wasn't very sure about whether, this would succeed, not succeed, because it was a very, very small nurturing organization at that point of time. And since earlier I was teaching in Delhi Public School and I taught there for about 18 years. Then switching over and coming to Impact was a completely different world. But now, 11 years later, I feel that the journey is remarkable. One can see the results, one can see the hard work of the people working for Impact, our board members, our steering committee members, and hats off to the batch of 1978. I am in the world.
There's nothing that I wouldn't do. I'd go to the ends of this earth for you to make you feel.
Of course. And is there a particular story of any girl that has touched you and that you will always remember?
Yes, we at Impact, think, I think all of us think of a particular girl. Her name is Buteri. Right from the time when she was in class 4 or 5, we could see the sparkling in her eyes and we could see the desire to study further. So, when I was in one of the functions which was organized by the villagers, and that was called the graduation ceremony, where the were the girls who had passed class 5 exam, and they were there and the graduation ceremony was taking place. Here this girl comes to me and says, at that time she was in class 4, and she said, oh, I want to study further. Can you take me to Gurgaon to study further? So I spoke to her mother later on, and obviously she was too young to come to Gurgaon to study further. But she did continue to study further, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. It was at that time when I met her again, and then she said, I want to still continue further, study further. I said, wow, very good. So, and that vow that she took, she is still studying, and she is in BA grade, BA part 3 now, her final year now, and she will be graduating soon. And we are very hopeful that with her kind of qualification, that is, she's done BA, she's done a course in computers, she's done a course in GK, I'm sure she'll get a good job. Otherwise, Impact openly has a place for her.
And I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I
जल्दी से पैसा दे दे, कंजूसी छोड़ दे.
And what effect has this education had not only on the girls but also on their wider community?
This is very interesting, because when we actually started the concept of the learning centers, it started learning centers in one area of Rajasthan. The people at that time, that is the men, the elderly of the village, and some elderly people who were from the panchayat, to begin with, they were not very pleased about something like this coming up, because they thought that the girls were getting empowered and the mothers were getting empowered, the women were getting empowered. So to begin with, they were kind of hesitating to support this program, but gradually, with a lot of counseling and making them understand, the project has grown. We started with 20 learning centers to begin with, and now we have over 1400 centers in 11 states of India. We currently see a large number of girls now continuing to school. About 80% of the girls who graduated from our learning centers are continuing to go to school.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case.
Some of them have ambitions and a desire to become a policewoman. Some say that they want to become lawyers. Some want to become members of the panchayat, the women panchayat in the villages. And there are few girls who also want to join the nursing profession, which is a humbling one.
ये तो लिख दूँगी कि आप सब बहुत सुंदर हो. नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं.
आप लोग बहुत सुंदर हो.
हम बहुत सुंदर.
And are there any goals that Impact hopes to fulfill soon in the future?
By 2016, we actually plan to reach out to about 60,000 girls, and especially in those districts and in those areas where the need is the maximum.
मैं ये लिखूँगी कि आपके पास बहुत सारी पाबंदियाँ हैं, लेकिन आप फिर भी खुश रहते हो और गाना गाते हो. ये लिखूँगी.
ठीक है, ताकि जो भी मेरी कहानियाँ पढ़ेंगे वो देखेंगे कि आपके पास साहस है और इसलिए आपकी सहायता करना चाहिए।
Nothing that I wouldn't do.
So this is our plan, and I really hope with the support from our well-wishers, from our donors, from our supporters, we will be able to reach that figure. And not only that figure, we will be able to reach out to more and more out-of-school girls and bring them into the fold of primary education.
Regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come